Let's get into how to lay the edges. So first of all, I'm putting all my hair up from my face, and let's just yeah. This was gonna be the style, okay? It's cute, but we can make it a little cuter, okay? So I'm gonna start with putting my hair out my face, and then like let's just look at the It's just yeah. It does something different every morning, and that's fine. Get you some edge control, okay? Because I know you see this. I know you do, okay? And a widow too. So we're hanging on by a thread. I found the best edge control brush that I had, okay? Because if you know, you know. So I dip my brush in my thing, okay? And then how I do mine, I typically start from the bottom. Now we're here. Or I'll start from the top and go down. But since we're right here, I just go, so just keep in mind, just like brush it down, get your finger, and then just like, you know, like you making the letter J. So I kind of just get a little bit on each little piece to kind of see how I want to do it. Okay? No rhyme or reason. I do one side at a time, okay? I have to focus. So I do that, and then so basically you kind of bringing it down and making the letter J, and then I hold my finger where I want the curl to, you know, make a U-turn. So we hold it right there, and we're gonna have to make a U-turn. Okay, so we see this right here. We're gonna do the same thing. So kind of brush it down, and then we're gonna make a U-turn. All right. And you can do it however you want it. This is the basics, the bare minimum. The E for effort, okay? And we gonna suit the little widows because they so cute. Now pick a side. Pick a side. I tried to do a little split. It gives mustache. It don't do it. It don't do it. So you see that? Okay. So we're gonna go to the other side. Kind of just figure out where they're at. Because sometimes they be playing hide and seek, and that's all right. Alright, so I kind of got them out. So we're going to just go like this. I need to find my other mirror. But you just gonna push it down and bring it around town. And with braids, I don't like to go too much on my actual hair because I want it to stay looking fresh. So I just literally, it's just the edges. Okay? And then we're going to wrap them up. Now, if you a little MIA on the edges, I've been seeing some hacks and people have been pulling some fake hair and putting it right there. Look into that. That has been really cute. But let's continue. So now we're just going to, I go back over it more so kind of just setting it with the edge control. Because you see it's already rolling back up. That's where your little scarf comes in. So I kind of make sure it's brushed and turned. And this is like a week or two old hair. So y'all know how the edges be, child. They tied, and that's all right. I like an edge scarf. And then we just wrap it like that, okay? It just depends on where I'm going. I'll leave it like this until I'm getting out the car. So I'll be back once I'm gonna leave so I can show y'all. You see the extra oomph it added? You see the extra oomph it added? It's giving pink. Get into it.